Hello everyone, welcome to our academy platform IIOCS presented by Food Tech Club. I am Wasima Osman and I am here for the general aptitude, and today I am going to start
our academy platform IIOCS.
Today I am going to start my second session of general aptitude, and which is regarding the number series part 2. The session of the number series part 1 has been given at the description box. So now I am starting my today's class. At the previous class, all the problems of number series, which is in ascending series or the increasing series, and our today's class will be number series, and where all the problems will be in descending series or decreasing order. So I am directly entering into my today's session, and I am starting the problem, and I am directly entering into the problem. So here is the first problem, that is 36, 34, 30, 28 and 24. This is a descending series, you can see that, and this series is very simple. Here you can see that 34 is less than 2 from 36, 30 is less than 4 from 34, and again 28 that is 34 is less than 2 from 36, 30 is less than 4 from 34, 28 is less than 2 from 30, and 24 again less than 4 from 28. So here's the pattern is following, that is one is in -2, another is -4, next number is -2 from the previous number, and the next number is less than 4 from the previous number. So here is the pattern is following, that is -2, -4, -2 and -4. So our answer will be, so again it will be repeating that we have to do -2 from 24, and 24 -2 it will be 20. So our answer is option B. Now next problem is 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, 27, and you have to find out the next digit. Here both the number or both the digit is repeating. So if we do, here we can see that 40 is less than 13 from 53, 27 is less than 30 from 40. So, and every digit is repeating twice, so we have to do 27 minus 13, and it will be 27 minus 13 means 14. So our answer will be option B, 14. Next, what number should come next at the series? So here this problem is also very simple. So if we do 52 minus 6, it will be 58. 52 or if we do 58 minus 6, it will be 52, and 52 minus 6, it will be 46, and 46 minus 6, it will be 40, and 40 minus 6, it will be 34. And so if we do 34 minus 6, it will be 28. So this is also very simple problem. Every next number is less than 6 from the previous digit. So our answer will be option B, 28. Next, what number should come next? So here we can see that 29 is less than 2 from 31. 24 is less than 5 from 29, 22 is less than 2 from 24, and 17 is less than 5 from 22. So here is the pattern is following, that is every digit is in minus 2, minus 5, minus 2 and minus 5 order. So similarly our next number will be less than 2 from 17. So if we do 17 minus 2, it will be 15. That is option A is the correct answer. Next, what number should come next at the series? Gradually we are entering into the little complicated problem, because at the exam not all the time so much simple problem will come. So we have to enter into the complicated problem. So if we do 554 minus 35, it will be 509, and 509 minus 35, it will be 474, and 474 minus 35, it will be 439, and 439 minus 35, it will be 404. So every digit is less than 35 from the previous digit. So our answer is option A, 404. Next, this is the decimal series, that is 5.2, 4.8, 4.4, 4, and you have to find out the next digit. So here we can see that 5.2 is greater than 0.5 from 4.8, or if we do 5.4 minus 0.5, we will get 4.8, and 4.8 minus 0.4, we will get 4.4. 4.4 minus 0.4, we will get 4, and 4 minus 0.4, it will be 3.6. So our answer is 3.6, option D. It is C and it will be D. Next problem is 84, 78, 72, 66, 60, 54 and 48, and you have to find out the next digit. So here you can see that every digit, it is also very simple problem, every digit is minus 6 from the previous digit. So that is, if we do 84 minus 6, it will be 78, 78 minus 6, it will be 72, 72 minus 6, it will be 66, 66 minus 6, it will be 60, 60 minus 6, it will be 54, 54 minus 6, it will be 48. So If we do 48 minus 6, it will be 42. And here is the two options, or in every options there is 2 digit. That means you have to find out the 2 digit. That means 42 minus 6, 42 minus 6, it will be 36. So our answer will be option B, 42, 36. Next, this problem is also similar pattern, and you have to find out the next pair of the series, that is here you can see that I am writing this series separately: 42, 40, 38, 35, 33, 31, 28. So here we can see that 40 is less than 2 from 42, 38 is less than 2 from 40, 35, but 35 is less than 3 from 33, 33 is less than 2 from 35, 31 is less than 2 from 33, and 22 is less than 3 from 31. So here's the pattern is following, that is every 2 digit is minus 2 pattern, and then next digit will be in minus 3, next again minus 2 and minus 3. So this is the pattern. So our next 2 digit will be in minus 2. So our answer will be 28 minus 2, it will be 26, and 26 minus 2, it will be 24. So our answer will be option C. Next, here they ask you to find the missing number. At the previous session, which link is given at the description box, I told before that in the series problem there is 3 type of problem they can ask you. Again I am telling you that first type, they can ask you to find out the next number, or they can ask you to find out the missing number, or again they can ask you to find out the wrong number in the series. This is the 3 types of pattern in the series problem. So in this problem you can see that they ask you to find out the missing number. So here we can see that if we do 664 by 2, we will get 332, and if we do 332 plus 8, we will get 340. If we do 340 divided by 2, we will get 170, and again if we do 170 plus 8, we will get 178, and if we do 178 by 2, we will get 89. So here's the pattern is following, that is 1 is divided by 2, then again plus 8, then again divided by 2, then again it will be, that means plus 8. So our answer will be option D, that is 178. Next, here all the series is in Roman digit, or this series in Roman digit. I hope guys you all know about the Roman digit, but still I am telling you little bit about the Roman digit, that we all know that in Roman digit this is 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, and 10 with 1 it will be 11, it will be 12, it will be 13, it will be 14, it will be 15, it will be 16, it is 17, it is 18, it is 19, and it is 20. So in this series, this is 20, this is 14, this is 11, this is 8, this is 5. So here we can see that (11) is less than 3 from 14, 8 is less than 3 from 11, and 5 is less than 3 from 8. So similarly, this our answer will be less than 3 from 20. So if we do minus 3 from 20, it will be 17, and 17 minus 3, it is 14. So our answer is 17, that is option D. Next, find out the missing number. That is, the series is 462, 420, 380, and you have to find out the next digit, and then again 306. So if we do 462 minus 42, it will be 420, and 420 minus 40, it will be 380, 380 minus 38, it will be 342, 342 minus 36, it will be 306. So here we can see that every subtract value is in AP series, and that is less than 2 from each other. That is 20 is less than 2 from 42, 38 is less than 2 from 40, 36 is less than 2 from 38. So our next subtract value will be 36 minus 2, that is 34, and we will subtract this value from 306. So if we do 306 minus 34, it will be 272, but we have to find out, and this number will be after 306, that is 272, but we have to find out this missing number. So our missing number will be 380 minus 38, 380 minus 38, that is option C, 342. Next, find out the wrong number in the series. So here we will do that. If we do 108 by 2, we will get 54, and 54 divided by 2, it will divided, if we do 54 divided by 1.5, it will be 36, and 36 divided by 2, it will be 18, but 18 divided by 1, writing it again, that is 108 divided by 2, it will be 54, and 54 divided by 1.5, it will be 36, and 36 divided by 2, it will be 18, 18 divided by 1.5, it will be 12, and 12 divided by 2, it will be 6, and 6 divided by 1.5, it will be 4. So here's the pattern is following that one number is divided by 2, then again divided by 1.5, divided by 1.5, then again divided by 2, then again divided by 1.5. So this is the pattern is following here. But if we do 18 divided by 1.5, 18 divided by 1.5, it should be 12. It should be 12, but here is the number given, that is 9. That means 9 is doesn't follow the series. So our wrong term is D option. Next problem 1944 108, and you have to find out that next number, then again last two digit is 6 and 3. So in this problem we will calculate it from the reverse side, that is from this sides. So if we do, or if we multiply that last two digit, that is 6 into 3, we will get 18. And then if we do 18 into 6, 18, if we multiply 18 by 6, we will get 108, and 108 into 18 will get 1944. So here's the pattern is following that if we calculate it from the reverse side, that is every number is the multiple of next two digit. So our answer will be 6 into 3, that is 18, option B. Next, find out the missing number. That is, the series is 3120. Next you have to find out the next number, and then 122, 23 and 4. So I am writing it here. So here we also calculate it, will also calculate it from the reverse side. So I am writing it here, that is our fourth term. I am starting from the digit 23. So we can write it like that: 5 into 4, 5 into 4 plus 3 equals to 23, and 4 is the next term of the 23. Okay, so our third term equals to 5 into 23. If we third term, we can write 5 into 23 plus 7, it will be 122. And from the back side, second term equals to, if we follow this manner, we will do where 5 is fixed. 5 is fixed for every cases, and we will multiply here 5 into 122 plus 11, and it will be 621. And our first term, we can write 5 into 621 plus 15, it will be 3120. So here we can see that 5 is the fixed multiplication, and we are multiplying to determine every number. We are multiplying it at first its next number through 5, and we are adding this digit, that is 3, 7, 11, 15, which is in AP series, and 7 is more than 4 from 3, 11 is more than 4 from 7, and 15 is also more than 4 from 11. So this pattern is correct, and our next number after 3120, it will be 621. So our option B is correct. Next, find out the next digit or the next number, and the series is 198, 194, 185 and 169. I am writing this series separately: 198, 194, 185, 169. Here we can see that 194 is less than 4 from 198. So we can write 4 as 2 square, and we can see that 185 is less than 9 from 194. So we can write 9 as 3 square, and 169 is less than 16 from 185. We can write 16 as 4 square. So here is the pattern, that is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. In this pattern is following. So our next term will be 5 square. So if we subtract 5 square from 169, so it will be 144. So our answer will be option B. Next, find out the missing number, that is here in this series. This series is though this is the descending series, this is the actual mix of the ascending series and descending series, is the combination of two series. So at first we will separate these two series, that is 625, 125, 25 and then 5. This is our first series, which is in descending manner or decreasing series. And our next series is alternatively 5, 25, and you have to find out that number. So if we write 5, 25 and we have to find out that number, this is our second series, and this is in increasing series or ascending series. So this series is the combination of two series, decreasing series and increasing series. So at the first series we can see that 125, if we do 625 divided by 5, we will get 125, and 125 divided by 5 we will get 25, 25 divided by 5 we will get 5. And for the increasing series, it is multiply through 5. So if we do 5 into 5, it will be 25. So our next term will be 25 into 5, that is 125. So our answer is option C, that is 125. Next we have to find out the missing number, that is 240, 120, 40, 10, 2. So to catch the series pattern, I am starting from 120. So if we do 120 divided by 3, we will get 40. 40 divided by 4, we will get 10. 10 divided by 5, we will get 2. So here we can see that this pattern is following, that is 120 divided by 3, 40 divided by 4, 10 divided by 5. So this series in AP series. So if we apply this pattern here, so we have to start from 240 divided by 1. If we do 240 divided by 1, it will again 240, and if we do again 240 divided by 2, it will be 120. So this series is following here, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is continuously in AP series. So our answer will be 240 divided by 1, and it will be option B. Our next problem is 739, and you have to find out that missing number after 739, and then 353, 226 and 135. So this pattern is, or this question is little complicated from the previous questions. That is, I am writing this series at first separately. 353, I am leaving this space for the missing number 226 and 135. So here we can see that (353), if we subtract 226 from 353, it will be 127, and 135 is less than 91 from 226. So, and 91 is less than 36 from 127. So we can apply this pattern here. So if we do 739 minus 217, we will get 522. We will get 522, and if we do 522 minus 169, we will get 353. So if we do here, we can see that 127 is less than 42 from 169, and 169 is less than 48 from 217, and again 36 is less than 6 from 42, and 42 is less than 6 from 48. So we have to calculate this series in this manner. Here 36 or 42, 36 will be less than 6 from 42, and 42 again less than 6 from 48. So and 42 is the 42 or 42 is the additional value of 169, or we can also say that 169 is less than 48 from 217. Okay, so here we can see that this series is following the minus 6 pattern, and here we have to find out this digit first, that is 42 is less than 6 from 48, and 36 is less than 6 from 42. So our answer will be 739 minus 217, that is 522. That is option B will be correct. Next, find out the missing number, or this will be not the next number, this will be the missing number. Find out the missing number. Here is the series, that is 124, and you have to find out that missing number. Next 26, 7 and 0. So 124 equals to, we can write 5 cube minus 1, 63, or I am leaving this now leaving this digit. So if we can write 26 as 3 cube minus 1, 7 we can write 2 cube minus 1, and 0 we can write 1 cube minus 1. So This is the pattern is following from the reverse side, that is in this side, that is 0 is equals to 1 cube minus 1, 7 equals to 2 cube minus 1, 26 equals to 3 cube minus 1. So automatically our second term or the fourth term from the last, it will be 4 cube minus 1, and next our first term is 5 cube minus 1. So our answer will be 4. If we do 4 cube minus 1, it will be 63. So our option is B. 63 is correct. Next, find out the missing number. Still it will be missing number. So for that series, we can follow this pattern, that is 765 equals to, we can write 148 into 5 plus 5 square. 148 equals to, we can write 33 into 4 plus 4 square. 33 equals to, we can write 8 into 3 plus 3 square. 2 equals to, we can write 1 into 1 plus 1 square. So these digit are the second or the next digit of the every digit, that is 148 is the next digit of the 765, 33 will be the next digit of the 148, and which will be our answer, that is our answer is 33. And similarly 8 is the next digit of 33 and 1 is the next digit of 2, and this is in AP series, that is 5 4 3 or here's the term is missing, that is 8 equals to, we can write 2 into 2 plus 2 square. So this is the AP series is following, that is 5 4 3 2 1. So our answer is 33, option D. So guys, this will be the this is the all type of pattern of number series part 2, that is for the descending series or the decreasing series, and hope if you follow this all type of pattern, then definitely you will get the common pattern in the exam. And descending series mostly happen up to this pattern. And so guys, I am finishing my session here, and all the best to everyone, and at the next session we will complete the next pattern of the number series, that will be of the oscillating series. So to learn, please follow and subscribe this channel, and we will provide you more concepts about the general aptitude. Okay, thank you guys.